Next, let's get information from a corporate database. We will go to a server at BYU, but it could be located anywhere around the world, Germany, China, wherever, and it would be just about as fast. I will first select a new sheet, then go to Data, Get External Data, this time from other data sources, from SQL Server. A SQL Server is Microsoft's server that they use to serve up tables and databases. I first need to give it the URL of how to get to the server. So mine is at websql.byu.edu. I'm also going to put a comma 5901. This tells the system to try to open up or go through door or portal 5901. There are thousands of portals on a server. Some are used primarily for web services, others for email, and so forth. We have selected our own unique portal. Hackers are always trying to break into every computer, including yours, but in particular servers. They know if certain doors are open, which protocols might be used to gain access. However, in portal 5901, they have no idea what protocol to use. We also will click on the username, accountancy. A few years back, I did an article on this for the Journal of Accountancy, and so we set it up. And the password is demo, D-E-M-O. Click on Next, and you can see that we have a number of databases in this one. We want to look at the WebSQL database. And there are a lot of files in this particular database. We will select the first one called Product with the owner of Accountant and say Finish. In my case, I have opened it up before, so it says we already have a connection by that name. Do you want to replace it with this one? And I will say yes. And now it's asking, do I want to put it into a table or a pivot table or a pivot chart? I want it in a table in A1, so I'll click OK. Let's take a look at our data connection. You see it right here, WebSQL, Properties. Let's have it refresh data when opening as well. And when we click on Refresh All, you can also see the definition, where it's located, the connection files located, as well as the SQL statement and so forth. And I'll close. Now we'll remove some of the data so it is obvious and say refresh all. You notice how fast that happened. I can say 1, 2, 3, click, and it's there instantly. We can now download and analyze data from our corporate database. Sometimes you will need the help of the IT manager in order to get this set up, but once it's set up, it's very fast.